The question is that the total sum to be allocated for head R of the estimates be reduced by $100. Ms. Rahayu.
Having legal troubles is often an unexpected event, which many typically do not financially prepare for. And litigation often is physically, emotionally and financially draining. So when there is a need to commence action or defend a case in court, it is common to hear of situations where the individual is financially stretched and has difficulties financing legal costs. The inability to finance one's litigation could possibly result in the inability to pursue justice in a case. The Legal Aid Bureau, the Criminal Legal Aid Scheme and legal clinics help to provide assistance to those who may not be able to afford to pay for legal advice or representation. I also welcome the amendment to the Legal Aid and Advice Act last year, which sought to enhance the process and provision of legal aid to ensure access to justice. It is always a calibration, but I would like to ask if there are other efforts which could be put in place to ensure that persons of limited means continue to have access to legal aid. On this note, I would like to repeat the proposal I made before in this House to encourage and incentivize low bono efforts by lawyers. We have many lawyers already doing pro bono work, but this often comes at a cost to the lawyer's earnings. A law practice is also a business and would have overheads and operational costs, just like any other professional service. Bearing this in mind and considering the need to close some gaps, we may therefore want to cast our sights on a more sustainable solution, which could be a win-win solution for all. I would therefore like to ask if MinLaw would consider developing a framework to support low bono efforts by lawyers to augment existing legal aid schemes.